Hello, today we show you how to transfer USDT BEP20 to your Payoneer on BoltChange. Firstly, select your crypto pair and click Exchange. Enter your Payoneer email address where you will receive the money and your contact email address, and click Continue button. Confirm your information. Now send USDT BEP20 to generated USDT BEP20 address to start the exchange to your Payoneer account. After the first confirmations of the crypto transaction, the funds will be sent from BoltChange to your Payoneer account instantly. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.